Elon. Tesla shares are up 12% today, even after they missed earnings, because Mr. Musk reinforced the idea that a low-cost model is in the works, which, of course, boosted investor confidence, led to a huge surge in price literally overnight. I think it's up 12% today. And Elon said, though, one particular thing during the call that should have investors incredibly worried, and that is if somebody doesn't believe that Tesla is going to solve autonomy, I think they should not be an investor in the company. And that's verbatim, word for word, what he said. And essentially, he's betting the entire likelihood of the company on this idea of autonomy, and that's kind of a selling point to investors, which I think is worrying because the likelihood of having approved full self-driving autonomous vehicles at level 4 or 5 autonomy may in fact never be possible, or it at least is decades and decades away. And for those who are saying, oh yeah, look, the technology is available today, people are using it, sure, there's a beta. You know, their autopilot version 12.3.4 is the new one. Still has a long ways to go if you look at the beta testing so far. Still lots of issues with that. And some other big issues with Tesla right now, I mean, Cybertruck production. Tesla Semi use case is pretty useless. The Tesla Roadster production. And so while fundamentally, I mean, don't get me wrong, Tesla is still a good stock. It's got low levels of debt, lots of growth potential, especially with the new low-cost Model 2 that Elon Musk just said they're accelerating production of. I just think that the volatility and long-term uncertainty alone makes me certain that I do not want to pick up shares at this level, even though they're a little bit lower and it looks like a buying opportunity. And I mean, let's be honest, the share price is probably going to climb up a little bit higher in the short to medium term. But I mean, just given Elon's history of over-promising and under-delivering, I mean, come on. Of course he's going to say something like this during a poor earnings call. Oh, we're accelerating a low-cost model. It's coming, you know, the Model 2. Of course he's going to say that during a poor earnings report. But I mean, come on. It's just, things are just too uncertain for Tesla at this level. But hey, if shares ever come down, man, if shares ever come down to like the $100 level, then I would consider buying, you know, maybe $90, but on 162, no way. The P is 41. It's just, oh man, it's too high for me, too volatile. And long term, who knows where this stock's going to be. But like I said, short term, medium term, you're probably safe picking up a couple shares and betting on it. But for me, just too volatile. I can't get behind what he's saying. So anyways, drop me a like. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next video.